Hi, and welcome to my favorite one so far of Can You Puree That? We are going to puree s'mores today. And I'll just be honest that this was one of the most exciting things I've done in a while. Quarantine has been very rough, okay? So here we go. All right, here are all the ingredients that we need. You need s'mores ingredients, obviously, and then the blender, duh. And one of the weirder ingredients you're gonna need is liquid smoke, and that's to help the marshmallow taste like fire. Then you also need vegetable spray, butter, a bowl, a mold. What else? Okay, the first thing you're going to do is put the graham crackers. Those are homemade, but if you don't have 7 hours to make homemade graham crackers and marshmallows, store bought will be fine. You're going to put the milk, and I'm not going to tell you exactly how much milk to use, maybe a tablespoon, maybe two. I always err on the side of too little milk, so that way you can add more if you need it. And you're going to put a little bit of butter in there. Think about how we use melted butter, well, and you want to have it melted, how we use melted butter to make a graham cracker crust. Kind of the same idea. Definitely adds a little bit of delicious flavor that I'm very much in support of. You're going to pour that milk into the bowl and put the melted butter in there as well. All right. And this next picture, I'll be honest, the liquid smoke shouldn't be in there. I just got excited about the different ingredients that you might need for this, but you need liquid smoke and then the xanthan gum to help thicken up that graham cracker. I'm not going to put it in the marshmallow because I don't think it needs it. But these are the two kind of weird ingredients. Everything else is, yeah, you know what you're going to use in a s'more, right? You're going to put the graham cracker in a blender and blend. While it's blending, take some vegetable oil and spray your mold. And I personally just have biscuit cutters, and that's exactly what this is. And if you don't use vegetable spray, you may regret it when taking the marshmallow out and it gets stuck and then it ruins everything. That picture will be at the end of this. It definitely was not amazing. So you don't want to forget the vegetable spray on your mold, whatever you're using as a mold. These are super easy because I make biscuits and they're in my fridge, and I want to make things as easy as possible for you. You're going to put the pureed graham cracker in the mold, and I'll just be honest that I definitely forgot to take a picture of it. So there you go. Imagine a little clump of pureed graham cracker sitting right there, right in the middle. Use your imagination. I know you can. All right, now you're going to put some of the marshmallow, butter, and milk into a bowl. And you'll want to start off with 1 tablespoon of milk. Go to 2 if you need it. And you're going to want to put this in the microwave so that it gets really soft and okay to puree. And like I said with the graham cracker, if you're not able to take 7 hours to make it yourself, store-bought is just fine. I had a lot of time the other day, so these are all homemade. Then you're going to take that microwave, so kind of warm marshmallow mixture, and put it in the blender. Then you will put it on top of the graham cracker that you already placed in the mold. While you're pureeing the marshmallow, put that graham cracker puree into the fridge, and that way it'll start setting up a little bit because the marshmallow definitely takes less time to set. All right, so you're going to chop up some chocolate. I didn't chop it up very well for the picture. And put it in a bowl with a little bit of milk. This one I'd say maybe half a tablespoon. Depends on how much chocolate you want. I don't think this was enough chocolate, but you know, whatever. And you're going to microwave that at 50% power for maybe 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your microwave. And then you'll stir it occasionally, and you want to stop right as it melts. So even there might be a little bit of chunks when you take it out, and then you'll stir it and they'll go away. Chocolate. Then you'll put the chocolate on top of the marshmallow that's on top of the pureed graham cracker. Well, the pureed marshmallow on top of the pureed graham cracker. And like I said, I forgot to take a picture. So just imagine how beautiful this is. All right, if you're not careful, like I wasn't one of my trials, and you pull it out of the fridge too soon, this is what it looks like. Oh, I mean, still delicious. I would still eat the heck out of that, but put it in the fridge. But if you do keep it in the fridge, here you go. Look at that beautiful sheen on top. You can even see a little bit of the marshmallow poke through, and that graham cracker puree. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how delicious. Oh, well, I am going to tell you how delicious it is in the next clip. But that's a pureed marshmallow, and I would eat it any day. Well, we answered the question of can you puree it, but the real question is, should you puree it? Is it delicious? Is a pureed s'more delicious? I don't know, let's give it a shot. I cut it down the middle and it softened a little bit, but you can see there's the marshmallow right there. Let's give it a try. All right. Wow, that's really good. Okay, I'm gonna go for a second bite. I know it's pureed. I know I could have a real s'more, but yeah. The smoke, the liquid smoke really adds to it. So, okay, just one more bite. The marshmallow layer is a little hard. I need to put this down before I eat it all. So yes, the answer is, can you puree a s'more? And yes, should you puree a s'more? That way, whoever has dysphagia can join in with the rest of the family. Wow. No, I'm not gonna eat more of a pureed s'more. All right, see you next time.